Hey guys, okay, so in this week's video I want to show you a beginner DJ trick. It is a beginner DJ trick because it's fun to do. It's just a bit of fun, really. You're not going to find many professional DJs doing this, but it's a good little thing to do. If you're doing a DJ set, you wouldn't want to do this very often, but it's just a little thing, and it'll teach you a little bit more about DJ decks in me showing you how to do this. So it's just a bit of fun. So the times where you would use this trick, in fact, I'm just going to show you what this is first, okay? So the times you will do this trick is if you're playing one track and it's kind of bombed. So you're playing to a room of people, you've just put on a song and people are leaving the dance floor, and you're thinking to yourself, oh no, that's a bad song to put on, and you don't want to stand there waiting for the whole song to go. So you can do this trick. It grabs everybody's attention, and then you put on a really punchy song after it, and it's as if to say, hey guys, before you go, listen to this track. Okay, I hope I've explained that well. I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, okay? So I'm going to do it halfway through a song. So pretend I've just put on this song, it's bombed really badly, and I need to just get another punchy song on quickly to get people back on the dance floor.
Want it all or nothing for us, ain't no place in between. Might be me believing what you say that you never mean. Like it'll
Might not be the best version of that, but you'll get an idea. Okay, so what are we doing? This is perfect for, you've put on a song, it's bombed, and you just want to end that song quickly. Even if there's vocals going on, even if it's a main bit of a song, if a big load of your audience are leaving, you need to get this song off quickly, because by the time they've left the dance floor, they're not coming back till they've gone to get another drink. So you could end up with an empty dance floor for a while. So this is what you need to do. These up here in the top right hand corner are effects you can put on your song. So if you come to Serato here, you'll be able to see, if you click on this effects up here, you'll see that there's different things here: delay, reverb, echo. So this correlates 1, 2, 3 correlates to these 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, so this one's delay, this one's reverb, this one's echo. So I'm going to put a bit of delay on to start. Oh, that's the most important thing. You have to turn the effects on before you do anything. Let me move this out of the way because it's a bit distracting. Okay, you need to turn them on before you can hear them, and the more you turn them on, the more of the effect you're going to hear, until it becomes almost incomprehensible what song it even is. Okay, you're not going to know, you're not going to have a clue what the song is. So let me play it and just give you an example. This is delay. Could you hear what happened then? Even when I pressed pause, it was still delaying. It was just going, gonna show ya, gonna show ya. Watch. Sounds terrible, right? But okay, so let's look at reverb now. Sounds like you're taking a speaker into a cave or something, right? And then there's echo, which is similar kind of thing to delay. I think it's a bit of reverb and a bit of delay.
went from nothing to something, like in a love it. It was us against the world, and now we just it's like I love you so much, and now I just.
So there you go. You can hear there's different effects. So this is what I'm doing, okay? You add a bit of an effect on. The one I like to add is reverb, okay? You bring it up like this. So bring it up. And when as soon as you begin to hear it getting a bit echoey, you're going to just high pass it slightly, okay? This is because when songs get echoey, they can sound really bassy and muddy and boomy, lots of low end muffle going on, okay? So you're just going to take that out with the high pass filter. So it's a bit like this, okay? I'm going to show you.
Place in between, like me, me believing what you say that you never meant. Like it'll last forever, now forever.
So to show you what I mean by muddy and echoey, I'm actually just going to show you what it sounds like with just the lows. See, you get that kind of noise, but you can take that out by just high passing it up.
As it all plays out, I see it couldn't be clearer.
You can see it's like taking out a lot of the bass, it's taking out a lot of it, it's adding a bit of echo. It basically sounds like the song is just drifting into the distance. And just as you've got quite a lot of the effect on, I'd say over the 12 o'clock mark up here, so you've got most of it on, you just confidently put your finger on that and whip it back. Okay, now be careful. You have to whip it back and then click stop. If you whip it back and you don't click stop, it'll carry on playing. Watch. Okay, so you need to whip this back, press pause. And it just whips it back. And also it's kind of fun. This is for beginner DJs, guys, so you know, it's a bit of fun, this. And also, you know, it kind of works. I have done this before while playing to a room. People don't question it. You don't want to do it all the time, but as I said, it's a great way to get people's attention. Then you move on to the second song. Now, this second song is really relevant. You have to play something that's punchy. I always like coming in with songs like this. Why do I love songs like that? Because everybody knows that beginning bit of the track. It's usually a mix-up. There's loads of other songs you can play. I can't be bothered to give you loads of examples, but this is one. You want to have a song with a bit of a punch to it, something instantly recognizable that's just going to grab people's attention. You all know the songs. This is one of them. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to take the effect off. I'm going to play it. I'm going to add reverb. I'm going to take some of the bass out so it doesn't sound utterly terrible. And then I'm going to, as I bring this up and bring it up and take the bass out and take the bass out, as soon as it starts to sound like the song's drifting into the distance, I'm going to whip it back, press pause, and then press play. Make sure that this song is ready to go. You don't want to have this song in the wrong place because that'll sound terrible as well. Okay, let's do it. Oh, and the other thing you have to do as well, there's no mixing involved here. Have them both all the way up. You want this second song to come in loud and proud. Okay, so let's give this a go.
Now you got a mirror, and as it all plays out, I see it couldn't be clearer now. You used to be just it for me, but now you wanna be saved.
Okay, and that's kind of it, guys. That's a little trick. So that's all you need to do. You guys can play around with this. This is very much like a little trick more than anything. If you are going to do this DJing, maybe do it once throughout a whole set. You don't want to be doing this all the time. And you probably heard as well, you want to whip this pretty hard. You really want to, if you put your finger there, it's over quite quickly. You want to put your finger there and whip. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed this course, and you want to learn a little bit more, I've got a full DJ course out there at beginnerdjlessons.com. There'll be a link underneath this video. I'll teach you everything you need to know from the basics. So if you've never seen any of this stuff before and you don't know what any of these knobs do, I can teach you the basics of that right through to advanced beat matching, different types of mixing techniques, fun little tricks like this that you can do to impress your friends or to maybe throw into a DJ set. Teach you everything from the ground up. It's 8 simple videos that will take you from a complete beginner to a good DJ with a bit of practice. It's at beginnerdjlessons.com. So if you're interested, come and check it out. Thanks for watching.